Wacky Tables. Today I'm going to show you different ways to bend cardboard. If you want to make a mask or something that like wraps around your head, or maybe a belt, like anything a bit more cylindrical, more like a cylinder. So one way is to use a straight edge, another way is to use a blade. So the straight edge way is probably one of the easier ways. You put it up on the cardboard. Yes, you put it up on the cardboard. You push it down, and then you bend the other side. And then now you have a bend in it. I'm going to show you a view from the other side. So you push down on the cardboard, and you pull up on this side. Now you have bends. And then if I were to continue doing this, I get something like this, and I can bend the cardboard like this. Another way some people do is called scoring. Scoring, you could either just do it freehand, or you could just do it with a straight edge. I prefer straight edge as it gives it better edges. Usually it's recommended, if this was outside, you would do it on the inside. That way you don't see all the lines in it. So this is basically getting the blade and doing it lightly, not enough to cut through the cardboard fully, but just a little, and then you could bend it like this. And now if I were to continue doing this, another thing to note, the smaller and closer together the lines are for both methods, the nicer the curve will be, because you could bend it on all of them. So now you will just use your fingers and they will bend on the line. So if I made this smaller, it would have been bent nicer. Either way, they both work out very well. Now another way, if you have small cardboard, let me use this piece. This, it's not very tall, so you could basically just bend it with your hands like that. Sometimes you don't get good straight lines. You can also do this with bigger cardboard, but I recommend the other two methods with bigger cardboard, as it gets a lot of creases. I am going to show you an example right now. So this right here, I would consider bigger cardboard. Now if you do the hand method by using your hand, as you can see, the lines aren't very pretty, which will lead to a worse curve. So I recommend doing these two for bigger and or smaller pieces, and this for only smaller. This is a scoring, this is a bending with a straight edge, and this is a bending with the hand. So with that said, Wacky Tables, I'll see you in the next one, and bye bye. This is how to bend cardboard. You can also do this with thin pieces of wood, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay wacky.